Hello everyone, so today's video is going to be a clean with me, and I know I filmed a lot of cleaning videos lately and I wasn't going to film one today. I was going to film something different, but I had a lot of cleaning to do today and I also needed to film a video, so I decided to just combine the two and make another clean with me for you guys. This cleaning video is going to be a little bit longer than I normally film my cleaning videos. I just decided to try and see how you guys would like a longer cleaning video. You can let me know down in the comments if you prefer shorter cleaning videos or longer ones. After I made the bed, I cleaned our master bathroom, and to clean the countertop, I'm using the Method Glass and Countertop Spray in the scent Mint. This is from the Grove Collaborative website. I like to use this on my bathroom countertops and mirrors. And then I'm using one of my microfiber cloths, also from the Grove Collaborative website, and I have a link down below that you can get $10 off your first order from the Grove Collaborative website. After that, I moved on to cleaning up the kitchen. I'm using Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the lavender scent from the Grove website, and the lavender scent isn't my favorite. I think my favorite is still the lemon verbena scent, and I do love the mint scent that they just came out with. After that, I paused from cleaning the kitchen for a little bit to do some laundry. I threw what I had put in the washer into the dryer, and then I started a new load in the washer. I had a few loads of laundry that I had to get done today. I'm using Method laundry detergent in the Free and Clear scent, and then I'm using Mrs. Meyer's fabric softener. Both of these are also from the Grove website. back to cleaning up the kitchen. To clean the countertops, I'm going to be using Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner in the mint scent. They just came out with this mint scent and it smells really, really good. I'm going to be ordering some dish soap and some hand soap in this scent for sure. Now I'm going to clean my cooktop with Cerama Bright products. This video isn't sponsored by them. I just wanted to share with you their products that I use to clean my stovetop because they work really good. First, I pour the cleaner on top of the stove, and I used a little bit too much there. And it comes with these 2 yellow scrubby sponges, and you're just going to use one of those and scrub that cleaner onto the cooktop. And then I wash it off with a wet rag, and then I dry it with a clean dried rag or cloth. And it gives it a really nice shine, looks like a brand new stove. It also comes with this razor blade scraper thingy to get the cooked on food off of your stove. If you have a glass cooktop, then you know what I'm talking about. You get this like cooked on crust onto the stove that you can't get off with a scrubby, but this razor blade thing will take it right off, and I forgot that I'm supposed to use it while I still have cleaner on the stove, so I had to add a little bit more there. But this takes it right off. Sometimes you have to like use a little bit of elbow grease, but afterwards your stove will look like a brand new stove and be all shiny. I usually do this, I try to do this cleaning like twice a week, but sometimes it's only once a week, but it always looks really nice afterwards. After that, I swept the kitchen floor. The boys made quite the mess in this room with all of their toys, so Kyle helped me to clean it all up. After that, it was time to fold the clothes that were in the dryer and start another load in the washer. I got this full circle duster in my most recent order from Grove Collaborative, and this thing is awesome. I'm really loving it. It's got these 2 hooks here where the duster part of it hooks onto the handle, so it's easy to just pop off and throw into the washer. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully this video gave you some cleaning motivation. I will see you in my next one. Bye.